In a lush, verdant forest, there lived a myriad of creatures, each with their own rhythm of life. Among them, the cicadas were the most musical. They had a unique gift, the ability to produce a harmonious melody that filled the forest with life and energy. Every year, as the summer heat grew intense, the cicadas would begin their symphony. The cicadas were known for their synchronized choruses, each one joining in at exactly the right moment. This perfection was a mystery to all the other forest creatures. One day, a curious young rabbit named Remy decided to solve this mystery. He spent days observing the cicadas, waiting for the perfect moment to join their symphony. But no matter how hard he tried, he could never fit in. The cicada's rhythm was too complex for him to replicate. Feeling discouraged, Remy approached an old, wise owl named Orion. "I've tried to join the cicadas' symphony," Remy explained, "but I just can't seem to fit in." Orion looked at Remy with kind eyes. "Perhaps you are trying too hard, young one," he said. "Maybe the secret is not in fitting in, but in finding your own rhythm." Remy returned to the forest, still determined to find a way to join the cicadas' symphony. As he sat under the tall, ancient oak tree, he closed his eyes and listened. He heard the cicadas' rhythm, but he also heard something else, a rhythm that was all his own. With newfound confidence, Remy opened his eyes and began to hum. To his surprise, the cicadas paused in their symphony, and then, one by one, they joined in with Remy. The forest was filled with a beautiful harmony, a melody that was unique yet harmonious. From that day forward, Remy and the cicadas shared their symphony, each adding their own rhythm to the music. The forest was filled with a beautiful, harmonious sound that echoed through the trees, a testament to the power of individuality and unity. And so, the moral of this story is, find your own rhythm and let it shine, for it is in our individuality that we find our true harmony.